Stop by and take a look at the 2021 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.